Good morning children. Welcome to math class. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all good children. So now everyone open page number 7. So in last session we have completed up to page number 6. So now everyone open page number 7 children. Yes, here look at the pictures. Here given pictures children you have to observe. So here given two buildings and two trees. And here two toy trains, okay, two trees, one is taller tree and shorter tree, taller building, shorter building, and in these two trains one is longer train and one is shorter train. So now see here, write L near the toy train and S near the shorter train, okay, write L near the longer train. So in these two, which one is longer train children? Yes, this is longer train. Here you have to write L. And this is shorter train. Here you have to write S. Okay. And then write T near the taller building and S near the shorter building. Okay. In these two, which one is taller building children? Yes, this is taller building. Here you have to write T. And this is shorter building. Here you have to write S. Next. What would you write near the palm tree next to the shorter building? Tick your response, tall, T or L. Here you have to check children. What would you write near the palm tree next to the building? Tick your response. Okay, here where the shorter building children? Yes, this is shorter building. So what would we have to write children here? This is taller tree. Am I correct? Yes, we have to tick T here. We have to tick T here. Next, in the down, see this picture. When we measure the length this way, we use the words shorter and longer. Okay, when we measure the length through this way, we use the words longer and shorter. So, for example, okay, children. So this is pencil. So we measure the length with using scale. Am I correct children? How we have to measure this length? So we are using scale to measure this length. So we are measuring through this way. So when we measure through this way, we are using longer and shorter. Okay, we are using longer and shorter. But when we measure the height, so this is tree. How we are measuring children? Tree we are measuring like this children? No. We are measuring height. Okay, we are measuring height. So when we measure like this, we are using taller and shorter. Okay, when we measure through this way. Okay, when we measure through this way, we are using longer and shorter. When we measure height, when we measure like this, we are measuring length children. So, for example, we are measuring length of the pencil, length of the pen. But when we are measuring length of the tree, no, we are measuring height children. Okay, when we measure height of the tree, we are using taller and shorter. Okay, taller and shorter. Turn to next page. If we measure this way, we measure the height of the objects and use the words shorter. So, we are measuring this height. We are measuring height means what we are using? Taller and shorter. So, for each we are measuring height or length children. We are measuring height. So, that's why we are using taller and shorter. Next, we are given one hands-on activity. See here children. Follow the instructions given by your teacher. Complete the following. Your partner's name. So, you have to write your partner's name children. Partner means you have to write your friend name. So, for example, here I am writing friend name Devika. Next, who is taller? Tick the correct box. So, you is taller or your friend is taller, you have to write. Okay, you is taller or your friend is taller. Yes, my friend is taller children. So, that's why I am tick. Here I am tick. Tick here partner. Okay, I am tick partner. Next, second one. Who is shorter? My friend is taller means Me is only shorter. Now here you have to take U. Second one. Next B. So now B you have to check, children. Actually this is hands-on activity, but you are not here, no. In your group of 3, write the names in the correct spaces below. Okay, here this is the hands-on, this is the real activity. I am showing, here I am drawing 3 pictures, children. Okay, children, so here I drawn 3 pictures. These 3 pictures you can imagine as 3 members. First one, Monica, okay, Ramu, Rani. Okay, Monica, Ramu, Rani. Just imagine, children. Next, so here in these 3, who is the tallest, children? So this is, I said, person, man. So we measure height or length? Height. So we are using taller and shorter. So in these 3, who is tallest, children? Yes, Monica is tallest and Ramu is shortest. Monica is tallest and Ramu is shortest. Next. Now here, children, dash is, here given dash is taller than dash and dash. Now here what we have to write? We have to write who is taller than remaining 2. Okay, who is taller, children, here? In these 3, who is taller? Yes, Monica is taller, right? Monica is taller than remaining Ramu and Rani. Okay, Monica is taller than Ramu and Rani. Okay, Monica is taller than Ramu and Rani. Next, who is shorter than? Okay, who is shorter than? Remaining, children, who is shorter than dash and dash? Okay, who is shorter here? Yes, Ramu is shorter. Am I correct, children? Ramu is, so write here Ramu. Ramu is shorter than Monica and Rani. Yes, so write here Monica and Rani. So Ramu is shorter than Monica and Rani. Next, third blank. Dash is the tallest among 3. So who is the tallest, children? Who is the tallest? Yes, Monica is tallest among these 3 members. So write third blank Monica. And who is shortest, children? Yes, who is shortest? Ramu. So in fourth blank, you have to write Ramu. Okay, in fourth blank, you have to write Ramu. Ramu is shortest and Monica is tallest. Ramu is shortest and Monica is tallest. Next, last one. In your class, how many of you are the same height? Okay, just you have to imagine, children, how many of you are same height. You have to write the number. Okay, is it completed, everyone? Yes, I hope everyone complete this. So, shall we go to next one, children? Now, turn to page number 9. Why do you usually stand according to order during the school assembly thing? Yes, in our school daily we are conducting assembly. Am I correct, children? Yes. So, in assembly, the students, they are standing according to their heights. Am I correct or not? Yes. How they are standing? So, the shorter person will stand first and then taller. So, why they are standing like that, children? Yes, if the taller person, if the stands first means the shorter person, they cannot see what's going in, what it is going. Am I correct, children? If the taller person, if it stand first means the shorter person will stand next. Okay, if the stands like this means the shorter person, they cannot see. Yes, children. So that's why the shorter person will stand first and the taller person will stand, means the students stands according to their heights. Yes children. Next 1.10, draw the picture of any three people from your family. Write the tallest near the tallest person and write shortest near the shortest person. Okay, in this what you have to do children? Here you have to draw picture of any three people. Okay, have to draw any three pictures of your family. Like for your mother and your father and your picture you have to draw like this. Okay, how to draw like this, your father, your mother and your picture, or otherwise you have to draw your mother picture, your brother picture and you have to draw any three pictures. In that you have to write tallest near the taller person and shortest near the shortest near the shortest person. Okay, so like this you have to write. This is your homework children. So next in the down here given 1.11, how tall do you want to be when you grow up? So how tall do you want to be? You want to be taller than your mother or your father or your brother or your sister. You have to write. Okay, here given now. I want to be taller than dash. So for example, I want to be taller than my sister. Okay. So I want to be taller than my sister. So that's where I am writing my sister. So what you want to be? You want to taller than your sister or brother or your mother. You have to write. Just write my father, my mother, my sister. Like that you have to write children. Okay, is this clear everyone? And this is your homework children. 1.10 is homework. So in today's class we have discussed about just the difference between taller and longer. So when we are using longer children, when we measure the length through this way. So length measure chest we are using longer and shorter. So when we measure the height, okay, here this is height now children. So that's why we are using taller and shorter. Okay, is this clear everyone? You have to do the given homework and post in Google Classroom children. Thank you. Have a nice day.